This is not your regular vegetable soup. This is bitter leaf soup, the Akwa-Ibom style. Have you ever tried this? Hello sweet fingers lovers, it's your favorite girl again, Chef Boss, and on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make bitter leaf soup the Akwa-Ibom style. Let's go right into it. In the pot, you're going to add red oil, that's palm oil. After that, you're going to add your grated pepper and onion. Then we're just going to mix together. After that, we're just going to add our protein. For me, I'm using cow meat and also cow offers, that's shaki and intestines. So we're just going to mix together with our seasoning cube and a little bit of salt. After that, we're just going to add our water leaf. You have to be generous with your water leaf. We're just going to add our water leaf, everything. Then we're going to add our next ingredients. You want to guess? That's our crayfish. So we're going to add our crayfish to it. That's grated or your blended crayfish before you mix together. You have to mix this properly and make sure it is properly combined together. Next is for us to cover this, and you don't want to overcook your water leaf. So I'm just going to allow it to sit within 3 to 5 minutes on a medium heat, and this is what we have. So I'm just going to stir it one more time. Then I'm going to add my other protein, that's my fish. And after that, we're going to add our uziza leaf. So next step is for us to add our bitter leaf, and mind you, you need to add a lot of bitter leaf because it is called bitter leaf soup, so why not? So we're just going to add our bitter leaf to our soup and then add a little bit of red oil to this, and we're just going to mix together until everything is fully and properly well combined together. So I'm just going to cover this and allow it to sit on a low heat between 3 to 5 minutes, and after that, this is what we have. So at this stage, I'm going to ask you to taste your soup to adjust its seasoning if there is need be, but for me this is perfect, so the taste I want. So you want to guess what I paired this with? After that, time for us to serve. So this is what our bitter leaf soup looks like. So tell me, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate it? And when you do not forget to tag me to it. Do not forget to like, comment, share for everyone, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.